If the needle breaks during the embroidery process, or you need to change the needle for embroider other materials, this video will show you how to change the needle. Firstly, we need to take off the needle, and then we will fix the new needle. Make sure this needle has sides. There is a small gap. You should face the gap in front of you. And then, after you put the needle in the right position, fix the screw. And thread the needle again.